In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use gap indicator in Tradingview. If you're looking to sharpen your trading skills and identify potential market opportunities, mastering the use of indicators is a must. The gap indicator in Tradingview is a powerful tool that helps traders analyze price gaps, those spaces between one candle's close and the next candle's open. These gaps can reveal critical insights into market momentum and sentiment shifts, whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started. This tutorial will walk you through each step to effectively locate, apply, and customize the gap indicator so you can make more informed trading decisions. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. All right, let's get started by locating the indicator within Tradingview. First, open up your Tradingview chart. Once you have your chart in front of you, look towards the top of the screen and click on the Indicators button. This will bring up a search box where you can find all the available indicators. Type the word gaps into the search box. Now from the search results, select the gaps and wicks indicator. This particular indicator is designed to highlight price gaps, those areas where the closing price of one candle doesn't align with the opening price of the next. These gaps can serve as key signals for understanding market behavior. Next up, let's apply the indicator to your chart. Simply click on the gaps and wicks indicator from the results to add it to your chart. Once applied, you'll notice that the indicator marks gaps with red and green highlights. The red gaps indicate bearish momentum, while the green gaps signal bullish momentum. These visual cues can help you spot areas where the market has shifted sentiment or experienced strong price momentum. Now that the indicator is on your chart, let's adjust the time frame to optimize your analysis. Switch your chart to the one-day time frame. This step is crucial because gap analysis tends to be more reliable over longer periods. Daily charts, for instance, filter out a lot of the noise that can occur in shorter time frames and make it easier to see significant price movements. By using the one-day time frame, you can focus on the most meaningful and actionable gaps. Once you've set the time frame, it's time to customize the indicator to align with your trading strategy. Locate the settings icon next to the indicator's name and click on it to open the settings panel. Inside the settings, you'll find a length option. Adjust this setting to specify how far back the indicator should analyze gaps. If you're focused on short-term trading, you might want to set the length to capture only recent gaps. Alternatively, if your strategy revolves around broader market trends, you can set it to analyze long-term unfilled gaps. You'll also see additional options to filter specific data. For instance, if you're not interested in analyzing wicks, the thin lines that extend above or below the body of a candle, you can uncheck the wicks option. Similarly, if you want to concentrate solely on bullish gaps or bearish gaps, you can uncheck the corresponding boxes to narrow your focus. Finally, you can customize the gap colors to match your charting style. This is especially helpful if you want to make the indicator visually clearer or prefer a specific color scheme that aligns with your overall setup. Now that your indicator is customized, let's dive into understanding the gap signals themselves. Pay close attention to the green gaps on your chart. These indicate strong buyer momentum, specifically areas where the next candle opened above the previous candle's close. Often, these green gaps can act as zones where the price may return to test the gap area. On the other hand, red gaps signify strong seller momentum, where the next candle opened below the previous close. These red gaps often act as magnet zones, meaning the price has a tendency to fill them over time. Recognizing these signals can give you a better sense of where the market might be headed next. Finally, let's talk about how to apply this analysis to your trading strategy. Use the identified gap zones to plan high-probability trade setups. For example, if a gap zone suggests the market may return to test that level, you could use it as an entry or exit point for your trades. This can help you take advantage of predictable price movements. Remember, gaps are often key areas where the market tends to revisit, so identifying these zones can be a valuable part of your trading toolkit. And don't hesitate to experiment with the indicator settings and timeframes to find a configuration that matches your unique trading style. Keep in mind, it may take a few attempts to strike the right balance, so be patient and adapt as needed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.